we're just going to cover some navigation on the Garmin here. We're outside of Sidley Castle. So I want to get back to the masts up here. And so I figured out my 8-digit grid coordinate. And we're going to enter that. So I'm currently in a activity. And hiking activity here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, holding down the up to get it into settings, and then we'll go up to get to navigation, and you'll see you can enter coordinates. Alright, so I'm currently using the British grid, and you use the start stop button to enter and up and down to change the value of the field that is currently highlighted. So we'll enter the rest of these digits here. Since I've only figured out approximately an 8-digit grid, you'll just put a 0 on the end and the 5th digit on each of the northing and the easting entries. And if all goes well, this should get me within 10 meters of my location that I'm trying to get to. After the correct coordinates have been entered, then you press done. You'll get 3 new screens to help with the navigation. Here you have the arrow with the distance remaining. It's going to give you an elevation plot, which we'll cover here in a little bit. And then the last screen here shows your estimated time en route, the distance remaining, and your estimated time of arrival. Also, if you flip through the other screens, what you'll notice is there's an additional red arrow which shows you the direction you need to travel to get to that next waypoint. Another addition you'll notice is on the map page is there's now a bearing line, a purple line directly to your coordinates that you've entered. Alright, next we have the elevation plot, and here you'll see up top it's got the total ascent of the entire activity, 528. Below that you'll see the 319, which is my current elevation. 121 is the elevation where I entered the coordinates. Also the 2.31 miles is the straight line distance from where I entered it until the coordinate points I put in. The blue, if I would have used a GPS coordinate that had an elevation, it would put the end elevation in there as well. Alright, so here on the map, this is the point where I'm going to break away from the Cotswold Way and use my navigation on the Garmin Fenix 3 to get me home. So I'm going to follow that red arrow. So you can see 0.03 miles remaining until we reach our coordinates, and I'm at a fence now. And over here to the right, you'll see the mast that I was aiming for. So not too shabby. Alright, thanks for watching, and please leave your comments below and like if you want to see more of this.